So with proper training and scheduling of maintenance activities, we can extend the mean time between failure and shorten the mean time to repair of your thank you coating systems. Hello, there have been a lot of questions from our customers asking who is responsible about maintaining the thank you system and how often service and maintenance needs to be performed. Firstly, who is responsible for maintenance activities? We divide this into 3 different tiers. Tier 1, operators on site. These are people who use the system and do cleaning, flushing, and simple replacement of consumables and wear parts on a daily basis. Tier 2, trained service providers. These are people who can perform and assist Qlayers with simple diagnostics and repairs based on biannuals and annuals inspection procedures. Tier 3, Qlayers only. These actions will be performed by specialists in our team as updates, modifications, and specific customers' requests. So as you can see, the most crucial people to maintain the systems are in Tier 1 and 2. These are the people at the closest proximity to the robots. For this reason, to ensure that all systems maintain their optimal performance, Qlayers offers training programs to certify operators and service providers with the necessary skill sets. Then, this leads to the next question: how often do we need to perform these services? We advocate for predictive and preventive servicing, so daily, coating change, end of assignment, biannual, annual, and don't forget when storing the system. We also provide remote support that guarantees response within 24 hours during business working days. So with proper training and scheduling of maintenance activities, we can extend the mean time between failure and shorten the mean time to repair of your thank you coating system.